On the hardest days, I throw myself outside to feel the cool air on my skin. I witness my racing and hostile thoughts. I feel my agitated emotions. Step by step, breath by breath, I merge with the earth. Suddenly, I am being held and wrapped in loving witnessing. I smell the crisp scent of decomposing leaves and conifers. I listen to the squirrels and birds. The forest wraps itself around my flailing body in distress. The forest knows I am there and belong. I am included in the synergy of energy, the harmonious communication between the mycelium and the trees. It's not about being right anymore. I am lovingly witnessed, non-judgmentally. There is enough love here for everybody. No picking sides. We all reside, unified. On those hard moments when my nervous system screams and shakes, I place my body, mind, and nature to return to my equilibrium. The river knows I am there. She too delivers my senses to the present. She says, "Don't carry these burdens, my dear child. Give each of them to me. Release yourself of the attachments and set yourself and all others free. In this vast, wide open world, my troubles seem small." The slug slowly munches on his mushroom. The sap still drips, and the waters flow. There is a secret language out here in nature where gossip is obsolete, where we share an interconnected nervous system and commune with vibrational ease. This clears up a lot of miscommunication and allows for co-regulation. I am safe and supported among the trees. They listen without condemning. I remember, too, how to love again.